We back in the stock room, back to bring you yet another review. Don1914, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, go ahead and share the channel, help us grow. And I appreciate everyone out there supporting my channel. So this is a continuation of the Black Friday deals that was going on during Black Friday. So remember, I said I hit 3 pair of shoes from Black Friday. You already seen the first one, which was the Jumpman Jacks, University Red. This is the second one. This is the Nike Dunk Oregon, all blacked out colorway, as you can see from the title and the intro of the video. And then we'll have a third one, which is the OG Jumpman Jack. I believe they call those, not the mocha pair, but the sale pair. So that'll be the next video after this. So it's 3 parts to this Black Friday, thing we got going on here. So this is the second pair I cop for retail. And this was crazy. I think the retail was like $300, $350. That's crazy on this pair. But I mean, after doing more research into the shoe, they only made so many pairs, and it's a very, very limited dunk. So I do understand the price. I mean, it is a little pricey, but I mean, for what it's going to be worth going down the line, and especially if Oregon win the college championship. Right now I think they rank like #1 undefeated, so if they win the college championship, hey, this pair could skyrocket. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the shoe and then get into the review. Real thirsty to see this pair in hand. I had this pair for like 2 days already. I got the delivery like 2 days ago, so been sitting on them, trying to find time in between work and everything to go ahead and finally review the shoes. Let's go ahead and crack this open. All right, go. That's what I appreciate. You know what? I gotta scan this QR code right here in the front of the box right there. When GOAT sends your packages now, I gotta figure out, where that leads to. So I'll do that later on. I like how GOAT puts like extra paper inside your box to help mitigate damage, things of that nature. So let's go ahead and throw that on the floor. All right, so here's the box. As you can see, all blacked out box. Got the Oregon Dunks on the bottom. Of course, QR code right there. You wanna go ahead and scan that. Got your GOAT sticker as well, right here. GOAT, for sure. Let's go ahead and open the shoes and, okay. Oh wow, okay, cool. So here we go. Without further ado, man, I want to jump right into this because this is my first time actually seeing these in hand. So this is my first real reaction, and wow, I didn't even know they had the cork like insole. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the review. This is let me get the right name of this pair here. Let me see. Nike Dunk Low Oregon Luxe. Okay, yeah, these are clean. So let's get right into the review. We're gonna go ahead and review the Oregon University Dunk Low, all blacked out pair. Okay, let's start off with the box. So, like I showed you previously, we have this all blacked out Nike Oregon Ducks box. It has Oregon Ducks right there on the lid, right there on the top, Nike branding. On this side, nothing on that side. And then where the sizing label is, you got your GOAT sticker right there. And then here's the sizing tag that reads Nike Dunk Low UO, which I'm pretty sure is University of Oregon Luxe, black bolt. So if you've been watching my reviews, you know I do wear a size 10. I go down a half a size in my Dunk Lows. As we open the lid, you do have that QR code right there that you can scan, and you have the Oregon Ducks mascot right there in the middle. You should have this white paper, but if you look closely, it has the O's all throughout the paper. It's like a whitish grayish color. Inside, again, GOAT card, got your GOAT QR code right there that you can scan. Came with yellow laces, green laces, and the Volt laces as well. I don't know why they came with these colors, but I mean, I do see that they are Oregon University colors, but as far as the sneaker, I don't think these are gonna look good in the shoe at all if you try to use that. Let's see if there's any green stamps inside the box. And yes, there is. You do get a green sticker right there in the inside of your box. And you get the box sizing right there and dimensions. So enough with the box. Let's get into the kicks. Oh, and it does have limited right there on the front of the box in black. All right, so here's the shoes. And let's start off with the left pair. So in the left pair, let's start with the outsole. So first of all, what stands out to me when I look at the outsole, it has ducks of a feather automatically in this translucent sole underneath. And this is what I feel like they should have did with the Jumpman Jacks. Instead of having Jack on the outside of the sole where it will wear off with time, they should have put it a translucent sole or something of that sort to have it on the inside of the sole where it wouldn't wear off, where it always say Jack, and then have the outsole on the outside of that. So you can see if this traction looks familiar. This is a Jordan 1 traction right here, herringbone. Got your Nike in the middle right there, that translucent outsole. As we move to the midsole, all black midsole. Upper of the shoe is a combination of suede, nubuck, and leather, and patent leather. So let's start with the back. So on the back of the heel, you got that leather that wraps around the bottom of your heel. In the middle, you have this like hairy suede, rough suede. On the top of the heel, you have DOAF, which is ducks of a feather. As you move to the lateral side of the shoe, you have the looks like duck wings right there in that leather with that patent leather Nike swoosh stitched in that outline in black. As you can see, that's pretty dope, man. I do like that they put that black patent leather on there. It does make the shoe pop. Mid panel of the shoe, you have that nubuck. Nice material nubuck, very soft. As we move to the toe cap of the shoe, you see they have that very nice suede, and you can see it does have some back and forth motion if the camera's picking that up, but you can see it really on this part of the shoe really well. So the materials on here are top quality premium material. You do have a black Nike swoosh right there on the toe cap. As we move to the front of the shoe, you got that suede toe box, and again, you got that nice backstroke motion with that suede. Medial side is just like the lateral side with the mid panel being that nubuck. You got the suede, and then you got the leather material wrapping around the back of the heel of the shoe, and some type of design. I don't know what these are right here, but looks like arrows, but then again, I'm not sure what that is, but it's the same type of design that was on the white pair that I showed you. If you see my previous video, I did review the white pair as well. All right, so let's, oh, you got black SB laces. The laces are an SB dunk laces, but the shoe is not an SB, but they do come with SB laces. So I thought that was kind of unique. You got an all black tongue. And then at the top of the tongue, you got the Nike patch right here with the Nike stitched in with a nubuck or suede patch behind the Nike. You got perforated holes in the tongue with that nubuck. Let's check the inside of the shoe. Does come with shoe paper. Let's see here. And on the back of the tongue, does it say anything? It looks like it does, but I'm trying to read what that says. It's hard to make out what this says, but I don't know if it says something like the Kings or I'm not sure, but you can see that on the back of the tongue. It's very faint, but it's right here. I'm not sure. I can't really make out what that says, but let me see if I can figure that out later on. But inside of the shoe, you do see you have the writing right here, and it says, once a duck, always a duck, which is sizing tag. And you have a cork insole, which I thought was very unique. That's something that the others didn't have. And then the sock liner of the shoe is this nice type of suede material. As you can see, it has the backstroke motion as well, and it wraps all around the sock liner. And that's pretty fire, actually. And I bet you these shoes are mad comfortable with that sock liner being that material. Absolutely, and you can tell these are made for winter too, because just the material, it feels like a heavier material, and you can tell that it probably keeps your foot warm. So Good marketing strategy on Nike's behalf to bring these out during the winter time. Now the right shoe does have a couple similarities, but the medial side and lateral side is the same. The outsole is the same as the left shoe, has that ducks of a feather. But what's different on the right shoe is that instead of Nike on the tongue, you have that DOAF, which stands for ducks of a feather. And it does come with a hang tag. So you got the ducks on that side and then DOAF on that side as well. So that's the two things that I seen that was different. And also on the back heel of the shoe, instead of having DOF, you have Nike on the right side. So that are the main similarities that I've seen between the right and the left pair. So yeah, these are fire, man. So man, I want to jump back in front of the camera, give you my thoughts, and we're gonna go ahead and end the review off. All right, so that was the review, the Oregon Dunk Low. Tell me what you think down in the comment section down below. You think these are worth that retail price point of $300, $350? And do you think they're worth the resale price point as well? How I feel about the shoe, I think these are dope. I do like these a lot, especially after seeing them in hand. And you know, I've been watching a couple of reviews on the Jordan 3 Black Cats, and you know, these are similar to those. And you know, the Jordan 3 Black Cat does have that patent leather and that shiny black on that pair as well. So they are kind of similar, but you know, these are dope, man. I do like these a lot. And man, you know, it's like, you know, do I want to put them on foot or do I want to hold on to them? Because there's so much coming out in 2025. I don't know if I should put these, you know, to the toe. It's gonna take everything in me not to, because these are super fire, and I'm already in my mind thinking of some fits to go with this. And man, 2025 just got so many bangers coming out. I don't know if I should save these for trade bait or use these to get other shoes that I may miss out on coming up in 2025, because we've seen a lot that's coming out in 2025, but there's still a lot that we haven't seen. And you know, those shoes that just pop up on you, those collabs. So you know, for right now, I think I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna hold off on putting these to the toe, just in case. But my thoughts and my opinion, these are fire. These are fire. I like these a lot, man. Just the creativity and the craftsmanship and the detail that went into the shoe and what these shoes represent. These are fire, man. Yeah, these are definitely worth it, I would say, in the long run. I mean, these are gonna do nothing but go up in price anyway. So, you know, that retail price, you know, I guess it can be somewhat justified, but I mean, I don't know. Who can really justify spending over $300, $350, $500 on just the shoe? It's just, at the end of the day, it's just materials, man. We can't take it with us. So, yeah. With all that being said, though, man, I appreciate you tuning in once again to the channel. Thank you for all the support again. I appreciate you. We're on the road to bigger and better things in 2025. I got to keep this train going. Like I said, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share the channel with friends and family if you like the content. With that being said, until the next cop, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the